Hey everyone, having trouble with your on wireless earbuds not turning on? Don't worry, let's figure this out together. The most common reasons are usually battery related. First, your earbuds might simply be out of charge. If your earbuds are older, battery capacity might have diminished significantly. On earbuds use lithium ion batteries that degrade over time, typically lasting 1 to 2 years with daily use, about 300 to 500 charge cycles. As the battery wears down, it may not hold enough charge to power on. Another reason could be faulty charging. Check the charging pins in the case for debris or damage. Water damage, even from sweat, can corrode internal components and prevent them from powering on. On earbuds have limited water resistance, rated IPX4. Finally, a less common but possible cause is a software glitch, which can also cause this issue. Key takeaways: check battery charge and age first, inspect charging pins for damage, avoid excessive moisture exposure, and try resetting if software related. Start with the basics by fully charging both your on earbuds and the charging case. Use a compatible 5 volts 1 amp charger to ensure proper power delivery. Next, make sure the charging contacts are clean. Use a dry cloth or isopropyl alcohol to remove any stubborn grime that could block the connection. If charging and cleaning don't work, try a hard reset. Press and hold the buttons on both earbuds for 10 to 15 seconds. Check your model's manual for exact instructions. If you suspect a software glitch, check the On app for a factory reset option. For example, users have resolved issues with On Roku wireless earbuds this way. If none of these work, consider battery replacement or professional repair. ON offers online troubleshooting guides and partners with third-party services for warranty claims. Remember, prevention is key. Avoid overcharging, protect from moisture, and store your earbuds properly to extend their life.